Today I'm sharing with you how to make spinach corn sandwiches. I first tried these palak corn sandwiches at CCD back in the day, and since then these are one of my favorite vegetarian sandwiches. This recipe is kind of a dupe to that sandwich, except I have only used white sauce and no cheese. However, you can add cheese if you wish to, but white sauce does lend this sandwich the satisfyingly creamy bite which we wish for. So you don't have to add cheese unless you want to. So let's get started. For making the spinach corn sandwich base, you need 5 ounce or about 140 grams of spinach leaves, and you can use regular spinach leaves. I usually use these packed baby spinach leaves only because I find it a little more convenient. 1.5 tablespoon of oil, half a cup of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of sweet corn. And you can use fresh or frozen corn, which you'll have to thaw. Then for making the white sauce, you need 1 tablespoon of salted butter, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 3/4 cup of milk, which will have to be warm or at least room temperature, but I'll get to that in a bit. Start with making the spinach corn mix, for which in a pan heat up the oil and add in the chopped onions and half a teaspoon of salt to brown the onions faster. Saute this on medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes till the onions start turning light golden brown. When the onions are done, add red chili powder and garlic powder, mix them in and saute for 1 to 2 minutes till the spices get lightly cooked. Here you can also add a splash of water if required to avoid the spices from getting burnt. Then add the fresh spinach leaves, mix them in and saute for 1 to 2 minutes till the spinach leaves start to wilt down. Now add corn, mix it in and cook this mix on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. When this is done, turn off the heat and set this aside to let it cool down a bit. Then for making the white sauce, in a pan, melt the butter on low to medium heat, add flour to it, mix it in and stir continuously to ensure no knots are formed. Then saute this on medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes till the raw smell of flour goes away and the mix leaves a light aroma. But do not brown this mix. Now add warm milk to this and only add a little milk at a time, ensuring to incorporate the milk with the paste before adding more milk. This is the best way to avoid knots getting formed in the sauce. If you use cold milk, it will be very difficult to blend it together with the roux to make it into a smooth sauce. When all the milk has been added, keep cooking the sauce on medium-low till it thickens, stirring continuously to avoid or break up any knots. What you want is a consistency of sauce that is thick and holds firm on a spatula, which this is just too liquidy right now. And this can take about 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat, but it'll get there. This is the kind of consistency and thickness you're looking for, and this is how I always test the consistency, by getting the sauce on the spatula and making a line in the center to see if it holds firm. When the sauce is ready, season it with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper and turn off the heat. Now add this white sauce to the spinach corn mix, which must have cooled down a bit by now, and mix it in. And that's it, the sandwich filling is ready. Spinach corn sandwiches taste best with toasted bread, so toast some bread with butter and use this filling to make the sandwich. Or better still, toast the sandwiches in a sandwich press or panini maker Trust me, they taste so much better. Serve these sandwiches for breakfast or as a snack with tea and chips and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!